I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Friday, May 7th. All right, let's start with the SPY. We really didn't get a big dark pool level yesterday, a small one. So we're just going to stick with all of these massive levels we have right now. And let's see, we just went below this guy, 419.98. Let's see how we close. You know, you can see I've drawn these trend lines here on my daily chart. Yup, is this an accumulation or is it a distribution pattern? That is like the billion-dollar question. Yeah, so if we do close above that, then we're going above the creek, and that will be bullish. However, if we do close below the 412 level in the future, that's the ice, and that would be bearish. So let's just take it level to level. But today for the day trade, bullish above 421 and bear below 419.50. All right, let's head on over to the Russell. Also light in the dark pool yesterday as well. And the Russell, it's stuck in the middle. Yeah, it's entangled. Let me just zoom in on that. You can see it's just entangled in all of these moving averages. Not fun to trade, but if it does break out though, great trade above 225. And if it goes below 222.80, great short. And you can even see, hold on a minute, let me just zoom in again. Yeah, if we do go below that, then there's a great short to the downside. So we'll see which way it wants to go. Let's go to the QQQs. We did get a new level on the QQQs, 328.93, 2 million, not the biggest level, but we are still below some really big levels on the Q, and you can see it is the weakest of the index ETFs. And today we're going to be bullish above 333.50 and bear below 331.99. All right, we're stuck in between those guys. Let's head on over to the futures. We're going to start with those E-minis. E-minis bullish above 4207.50 and bear below 41.95 for those E-minis. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 13,650 and bear below 13,525. Oil's been the hot trade, or one of the hot trades in the Java pit. We're going to be bullish above 65 on those futures. These are the June futures, and bear below 64.40, which we just went below right now. But gold was a hot trade, right? Yesterday looked like it was poised for a big move, and it certainly did. Yeah, look at that. Had a tremendous move up yesterday. So where are we today? Well, let me just show you this daily chart. Kind of see something pretty cool. Yep, we just tagged this moving average, the 90 simple moving average. Yep. So we got some resistance there. I'm going to be bullish above 1822.50 if we can push it higher, or we may have a retrace day here. All right, or I'm going to be bullish going to this red moving average, this 200 simple moving average. That's the next big target. We like to trade moving average to moving average. So yeah, which way is it going to go? So exciting. I have a trade mapped out for you also on GLD. So look out for that one in just a minute. But let's head on over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures are kind of stuck in the Bitcoin wedge, right? See that? Stuck right there. Is it going to break out or break down? Bullish above 57,000, bear below 56,000. All right, let's head on over to Uber. Second day after earnings. And it's trying so hard to hold on to this 200 simple moving average. Yep, it's trying. Let's see, is it going to do it or not? So we're going to be bullish above 48 today for a retrace, or we're going to be bearish below 46.50, and we're going to be heading down to the 250 simple moving average right here. Let me show you, right? Are we going to go up, tagged at 4, or are we going down here? So that's the trade set up for Uber. Let's go ahead to Tesla. Was another good whisper yesterday. All right, Tesla's trying to hug on to this bottom trend line right here. Let me zoom, I'll just zoom in on that, right? So is it gonna hold this trend line? If not, we're most likely gonna go down there, or we got kind of this trade from the 4 to the 8 there. So what I'm looking at today. So bullish above 672.50, bear below 655 for you Tesla traders. Peloton. All right, well, it got crushed before earnings came out with that big recall news. Yeah, if you have a Peloton bike, you can send it back supposedly and get all your money back. Yep. So let's see, you know, who cares about that though? Let's just trade it level to level. We're going to be bullish above 89, and we're going to be bearish below 87. Yeah, it's kind of tagging right now. It's like hugging the 4 EMA for dear life right now. Yep, it's trying to hold on. Let's see what it does. We did come down to this yellow line here. Yep, I'm sure a lot of you do not have this on your charts. This is my VWAP, volume weighted average price. On the daily chart is where I personally use it. It's phenomenal. So good. You can see Peloton came right there and bounced. Computers are programmed to buy when it comes down and sell when it goes up there. Let's go to NEO. NEO is our next trade set up. We did have a dark pull level 37.58, so that's why I picked 37.60 to be bullish above. Pretty high up there. The bear trade is the most probable trade right now because it is in bearish momentum. We're going to be bearish below 36. There's a lot of room down if it does go below there. Let's go to Tilray, which had a lot of volume this morning and caught my attention. So we're going to be bullish above 15.50 and bear below 14.50 for Tilray. GLD. Yeah, this is a good one, guys. I'm going to show you something in the Java pit this morning on GLD that you might be interested in. Today we're going to be bullish above 171 and bear below 169.25 for GLD. Carnival's our next one with decent volume, decent setup this morning. Bullish only above 26.50. The bear trade definitely the most easiest one with no traffic below it. We'll see if it can go below 26. We're coming pretty close to that right now, just the 16th off of that. Let's go to Square. Square had earnings, so this should be a mover. Volume starting to build this morning. Yeah, finally has 94,000. Usually I like 100,000 in the morning, but if it has earnings and it's a decent amount and I can see a great trade set up, I'll put it on the whisper. So bullish above 235 and bearish below 225. I went pretty wide with my levels. There were lots of pivots and I just didn't see a great trade set up. So I went a little bit wider, but this thing can move. So let's see which direction it wants to go in. Roku, another one with earnings this morning. And you can see it bounced off that 200 simple moving average. So bullish above 13.75 and bear below 305. Beyond, looks like nobody's falling for those chemical burgers. Yeah, not having a good earnings. No, I didn't even look at the earnings, but it doesn't like it. Bullish above 112 though for a retracement. Bear below 108. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it, you guys. Yeah, it's not too late to come join me next week. I'm doing a one-day boot camp on May 13th. You can go to my website, thedarkpools.com, and go into our store under the live classes, and you'll see it there. It's an all-day live trading. I'll be really teaching you how I map these trades out And we'll be trading live, day trading in the morning and swing trading in the afternoon. So I look forward to seeing you there next week. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.